Sorry guys, I was just practicing my counting of my fours there. So you can see I'm already way ahead of you and forgotten it. Welcome to Knock Maths Out the Park with me, Mr. Clark. Today we are going to make mathematical dreams come true. We are now on to our 4 times table. Hopefully you've seen the videos already on the 2s, the 5s, the 10s and the 3s, and most importantly you've seen my introduction video. So today we're moving on to the 4 times table, our next logical step. Try and follow these in orders as you go. So I've practiced my counting. I'm now coming on to my levels of questions. Remember, once you've learned counting, it's a matter of learning these facts off by heart, but we break it down into manageable chunks. So level 1 with our 4 times table. 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 5, and 4 times 10. Okay, if you're not caught on quite yet, we picked these ones because they're times tables we've already done. 4 times 1 is the first one. Counting in 4s, 4. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, you recognise it. It's from the 2 times table. 4 times 2 is 8. Then we move on to 4 times 5. You know 5 times 4 already. And so 4 times 5 is 20. Then we've got our 10 times table. You know it from the switcher. 10 times 4 is 40. So 4 times 10 is 40. Now we're going to move ourselves on. Level 2 also has a sum that we've already done. So we are on to 4 times 3. We've just gone and learned our 3 times table, so we know this one already. We know it's 12. Then we move on to some other numbers. We've also got 4 times 4 in our level 2. 4 times 4 is 16. We called that a square number. Just like 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16. You'll start to learn these square numbers. Great thing to learn. Lots of questions in it when it comes to tests. Then we bring in 4 times 6. I always bring this in at level 2 because 4 times 5 we know really well. 4 times 5 is 20. So 4 times 6 is 24. You're just adding an extra 4 onto it. So then we come on to the next set of questions. And that's 4 times 7, 4 times 8, and 4 times 9. Now I find, actually 4 times 7 is the one that I generally forget if I'm going to forget one. 4 times 8 I remember because these two are the only 2 numbers in the 4 times table that are actually in the 30s. Okay, they're almost there. So 4 times 8 is 32 and 4 times 9 is 36. 32 and 36, just keep on saying those numbers. And if you've been practicing your counting, they should be in your head. 4 times 8 obviously being the smaller one, 4 times 9 being your one that's nearly there, and 4 times 7, as I said, it's the one that slows me down most. 4 times 7 is 28. But if you've learned 4 times 5 is 20, 24, 28. It's still like counting in 4s. The pattern is repeating again and again. So that is how I teach the 4 times table. I hope that helps you knock maths out the ballpark and brings you one step closer to your mathematical dreams coming true and you becoming, yes, you know it, the Beyonce of maths. Bye-bye.